Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to remove facial verification in Binance. Hit your avatar icon at the top left, first of all. Inside, what you're going to do, you're going to again hit your profile icon. Inside, you're going to find verification, security, Twitter. Select the second option, security. Right? You're going to see the first option at the top, two-factor authentication methods. You can do passkeys, authenticator app, email, password, etc., and many more to add a layer as a protection for your account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and hit passkeys at the top here. Right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply hit the trash icon right here and confirm that I want to delete the facial verification. Hit continue. Right? And again, in order to remove facial verification, I need to verify via my facial recognition in order to remove it. So they make sure that there is no fraud. And as you can see, now we deleted the facial verification. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.